Cinema Goggles. I'm Yugina.
And I'm Vishali.
And I'm Vish.
And today we are going to react on Blood, Sweat and Tears by BTS.
Yes.
And it was also one of the most requested video. And yes, so after a lot of recommendations, we are going to react on it. I'm so excited. What about you two?
Yes. So, have you heard this song?
No, I haven't. Okay, so this is going to be the first song which I haven't heard, and I'm going to see for the first time. So yeah, and more importantly, we are doing this interaction thing through this thing. So it's a new concept for all of us. So yeah, I'm so excited for that now.
Yeah. So, are you excited?
Okay.
Yes.
I'm always excited for a BTS video. I'm a fan now. I'm a big fan.
She has become a huge fan. She's just sending me all the memes related to BTS on Instagram, and she's like, "Oh my God, look at them, look at them, look at them." She is just adoring them. V is like love, you know. It's just so good.
So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
This looks like a museum in Rome or something.
Why the hell did he hit him on the head?
Just having fun.
Museum.
Yeah, okay, let's have fun.
We are cycling in a museum,
Yeah.
and that was cool by Oculus.
They're BTS, they're on a
Yeah.
vacation. they're enjoying their
They
life.
can do anything.
I guess they're privileged like that.
Foreign vacation.
And that's a beautiful painting with cool mirrors. I just love this antique.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love this set. The
I
chandeliers.
love the chandeliers.
and-
Yeah.
It's like
blue
it's like a
tint.
painting. All these people.
Last
Okay.
time.
His angelic voice. Jimin. Jungkook. It's always so catchy. Always.
Yeah.
Always.
Their hooks are always catchy.
Yeah. I don't know how they do that.
Who's this one?
And Sugar is so young in this one.
RM.
Oh my God.
You know who that is? No, it's this. That's J-Hope. I've heard this before. Wow, wow.
Shame of Oh, a jungle animal.
He always does that thing with his jacket.
This purple set is so cool.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay, flash warning.
Wow. This is like the poster of magicians.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
This is Jimin.
Yes.
So cool.
Hitler was a chancellor. Hitler was elected aside.
Wait, what?
The evil world with which I no longer want to have anything to do.
Oh, I want to have. I no longer want to have anything to do with this
Evil
evil
world.
world.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Okay, don't die.
Yeah. Please.
Oh,
this
wow.
This is like
Wow.
classic European music. This is like
Yes.
one of the Beethovens and something.
Jin.
Wow. See, classical music always sounds so good.
Oh my god, I've got chills.
Wow.
What is happening? I'm just so confused right now.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, there are so many things. Okay, that's a demon, a devil, Satan.
I think it's fallen angel Lucifer.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, this is so intense.
What? No.
Okay.
Wait.
So, he's representing Lucifer.
What the hell was that?
My mind.
I have no theory. I have no theory.
Okay, I have one theory.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
It is really blood, tears, and everything.
Yeah, I just need some explanations for that. This video was like actual theater performance. I mean,
You know what?
I have no thoughts about it.
I think it's so deep.
You know what? Everybody says that all the videos are connected, so I think that's why we can't understand these videos.
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe, but
I just need some serious
Still,
explanation.
I think
Like
so
a-
far every video we could understand a bit.
We didn't understand fake love.
Yeah, we
What was
understood
that
it.
about?
I mean, we
Yeah,
could
fake
understood
love was
what was it
actually
about. We could understand it maybe in terms of the BTS universe or something like that. But maybe we did understand the main purpose, main motive, main meaning behind the video. Maybe
We
they're
need
like,
to watch
okay,
some explanation for it. I think we need to watch some explanation for the video.
Yeah,
because
we could
there are
do
so
that
many
too.
Things which are unsaid and so intense.
Yeah, or we can watch all the songs so that we can understand
but
the
visually, this
Yeah,
one was a banger. It was a
yeah.
banger,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
the hook.
seriously?
the hook is still in my head. It's na 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 na.
Money, money, money. You know what? This song immediately got like in my head. Like, yes, this is
Exactly.
Yeah,
Especially the
it's gonna be stuck in your head for the
money.
rest of the week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was actually good. I enjoyed it, but it was just like mind blowing. There are so many aspects in it which I couldn't understand. But I really love that part where they were sitting on their knees and they were worshipping their idol or maybe their god, and they were doing that, and through that they were showing various religion and all of it. So that was quite
Yes.
interesting. I mean, it was
I
so
enjoyed the
good.
song, I enjoyed the music, I enjoyed
Yeah.
the visuals, but I'm still stuck on what the hell was going
so,
on.
So I think they were talking about doing things and falling into things and falling in with people that they shouldn't be with or shouldn't do.
Yeah, maybe.
And but they're still doing that. I still drank it, something like that.
Yeah.
It
Okay,
was
I
a
didn't. I
poison
was
or
not
something
looking
like
at the
that.
captions.
It was
you should.
I at all.
You should have.
Something.
And
Like forbidden fruit.
Yeah, forbidden fruit.
yeah, and the who was the one that just kissed the statue of Lucifer?
Jin kissed
Fallen
That
angel.
was Jin. And
Yeah, but then we
And
came
who-
with the
who had-
bruises.
who had
Vin.
the,
V.
Broken wings and
That was V.
okay, that was V.
It
What
just
the
gave
hell
me
is
that
going on in
Lucifer
this
vibe.
video? I'm still stuck.
So one of them is a
Listen,
fallen angel
I
because
also-
fallen angels.
I'm also
Has-
confused about one
have
part where
dark wings?
Jin was like he had blindfold and he was chained with the door. That part was also quite perplexing. I couldn't
Doll? I
understand
wouldn't
that.
call that a doll.
It wasn't a doll. It was a statue. I think.
Yeah, that was a statue. I don't know, man. What the hell was going on?
I think this was completely not BTS. BTS
I
was
have
also
one.
more
I have
like
one more
something-
theory.
Yeah. Please.
They're in a museum
Yeah.
at the start of the video,
Yeah.
and they're confused. They look perplexed. They look confused. All of them.
But they were
So I
enjoying-
think it's something about having connections with those people that were portrayed in those statues. Maybe they were those people in past lives or something. Maybe they
Yeah,
remembered,
maybe.
or maybe they thought about something like that because they were so
it could
confused
be
looking at
that.
them.
But I don't know. I just felt like that it was not that they were baffled or confused at that time. I just felt like that they knew what they are doing, or they like this part could be true about what you just said about rebirth or resurrection, or maybe. But it just didn't look like that they are confused. It looked like as if
Yeah, it didn't look like they were confused. That's the part I'm confused
I
about.
think they did look like that.
I
I think the only way to understand is to watch the previous videos, because everybody says that they are connected, and I don't want to look at any theory. I want to like understand it myself by looking at the videos.
Yeah, true. I think we need to, or maybe we can just watch some explanation video, because there are so many doubts I have in my mind right now.
Yeah.
About this video.
Okay, he's looking at it again to see if they were looking confused or not.
They do look confused.
Only Jin is looking confused.
So maybe Jin has some connection with it.
Yeah, maybe Jin is and we didn't look confused, but we could see sitting on the balcony or something like that.
But I think V is portraying Lucifer. I think he is.
Yeah, it could be.
Himself.
It just gave me a Satan vibe.
Who is this
Or
one?
It was just like he was
With
in the
blindfold.
green robe and just sitting in the balcony, and it was quite Victorian. Chandeliers,
Yeah.
museum,
That
antique. It was
But I
just
think
so
that is
fun
just
to
the
my
feel.
eyes.
That's just for the feel of the video. That doesn't have anything to do with the storyline.
Yeah, I don't think there is a storyline. Maybe they just showed it beautifully.
No, I don't think so, because everybody
There is a
emphasis on this
storyline.
point that BTS, all the videos
We
are
have
connected.
meaning, but maybe they're
have
not
story.
story.
I
We don't know. They'll tell us in the comments.
Yeah, they will definitely tell us in the comments what the hell was that about. But I don't want to know. I want to see for
But
myself.
they will tell you.
Yeah, but they will tell me. Okay, I don't mind that.
Correct us.
Maybe you didn't look at the captions much.
Yeah, I didn't look at the captions
You
at
should.
all. Did you?
I didn't.
You didn't either. We should have looked at the captions.
I did.
We should have. You did?
So
Okay.
Okay, I will listen to the song again.
That was intriguing to say
That
the
was-
least.
true.
but I
Yeah, it was
but I
actually
loved
good.
it. And also J-Hope.
Loved it too.
J-Hope looked so hot in his steps
He
and
is
everything.
hot.
Looking so hot, man.
What
And
do you mean he
Shubham
looks
looking so
hot?
cute.
He is hot.
Yeah, he is. But the steps were very,
Yeah.
you know what I mean.
They
Okay.
were cute.
This was a amazing song.
That was a good song.
Yeah.
My mind is blown away.
Money.
Okay, what's the meaning of that? Money.
More. I need more.
It just felt like they're saying money.
Yeah, and
They're saying I need more.
money means more, I think. The first time I heard this hook, I have heard this hook in some videos, and I thought they are actually saying money, and it's going to be the simple song about money and rich and
It was
richness
nothing
and power.
about money.
It was
They look rich as hell.
hell, but that's not
not about
it.
money.
Boring
That's not it.
Victorian life. The antiques, the chandelier, that royal dining set, and their
Yeah.
heavenly costumes.
The particular part that you liked
tuxedos.
about the museum, I think that was so cool. When they were like all sitting and standing on a sofa, that looked like a freaking painting right there.
Yeah.
It was good.
It was really good. Okay guys, thank you so much for recommending this video. We loved it and we are very confused. So please comment down below what do you think about this video, and please give us your theories. We would love to listen to them. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.